Okay, message. Hi, happy birthday to my wife. And say happy birthday to your mom. Ay, tulog. Tulog. That's good to Message.
Happy birthday, Marat! And welcome to a new mommy.
Birthday, Mara. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Yo! Oy, kala mo, di namin napanood yung mga vlog mo ah. Ano naman?
Happy birthday! That's it. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Mara. What are we cooking?
After cooking, barbecue.
That's for Mara. Hey, TJ.
So, today our food is spaghetti, watermelon,
Ano mo kayo mga food?
menudo,
Kasong
and steak, and pork barbecue.
Si Bukchoy ata na-excite ko. Okay, every month kasi. Si Bukchoy. Babi, layo mo. Kuya, baliktad. Ang cake. Iba.
Oh, go. Yeah. Peace, birthday, guys. Peace. Yeah.
Yung birthday boy.
Ay, birthday boy. So, happy birthday!
Bida-bida ka, hindi ikaw yung birthday.
Ciao.
Blushon na naman. Happy birthday!
Okay, Sophia, say happy birthday to your mom.
Okay, birthday girl. Okay, message to yourself. 10 years from now.
Oo nga, matatawa tayo 10 years pag pinanood natin to.
Okay? Message. Message.
Halika.
Message.
Amin na!
Sige, message mo sa mga taong bumati sa'yo.
Ay. Thank you.
Message mo sa asawa mo. Yun na yun? Eh, message mo sa asawa mo.
Love you.
Sa anak mo.
Super love you.
Sino mas love mo? Asawa mo, anak mo?
Sophia.
Number 2. Di po number 1. Muna natin at tayo mag-ready ng
Okay, wow! And habang tinitignan natin pagkain,
over.
Sa pressure cooker ba naman?
Hindi, lagyan ko na ang 15 minutes eh.
Ma,
Ano na,
Pressure cooker,
today we have red spaghetti, and watermelon.
Ano sabi mo? Red spaghetti?
Yes.
But it's white.
spaghetti sir.
Okay,
It's white.
and this is
Menudo.
menudo, and then we're gonna go right here. Follow me.
Tapos,
This is my black. Okay. And ikaw magano?
And this is pork belly barbecue.
and then we have the dessert here, which is the cake and the gelatin.
And ice cream.
Ice cream?
And cake.
Yeah, ice cream inside the...
But don't open it.
Don't open it.
Hey, Mara! So, Mara, happy birthday and congrats sa yung new journey, taking care of your daughter.
Ano?
Daughter. And always be happy. Be always good to
Tingnan ka
JL
ng anak
and
mo.
us. And then,
Ano daw di?